Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Before we start with our new video tutorial, I would like to say thank you very much to our new subscriber to my channel and visitors on my website and viewers. I hope that you enjoy learning new knowledge in computer programming, database development in my wide variety of tutorial videos and blogs, articles in my websites jrpomperada.com and jrpomperada.blogspot.com. Thank you very much for the support, for the comments. I really appreciate the likes and constructive criticism. So in this tutorial video, we will learn how to update a record in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using SAMP, so make sure you have installed SAMP downloaded in your computer, and then the Apache web server in our local machine is already running in MySQL. Let us go to our browser. So to open our PHPMyAdmin, we simply type localhost. Localhost / PHPMyAdmin. PHPMyAdmin, guys, is a program that is integrated to our SAMP that allows us to manipulate records, database creation, table creation, SQL queries, having this user interface environment compared to command prompt. Now, for this demonstration purposes, I have created in my previous video demo database and a table named user. Now here we have three tables: Jake Pomperada, age 41, my wife Jonali Pomperada, 48, and Anatan, a fictional character, that is 34. Let's say, for example, we make a mistake. The age of Anatan is already 35. So in order to update the age of Anatan, we go to edit, this one. Simply click the edit link here, and then we go here to the age of Anatan, and then we change it to 35, and then click the go button. It will automatically update the age of Anatan to 35 years old. That's very easy. There's no need to memorize SQL command. By using PHPMyAdmin, you can manipulate, you can update, add, delete records in your database. In our case, the database is demo, in our table is user. I hope that you learned something new in this very short tutorial video, how to update a record using PHP in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.